Hello. Last year, I finally decided to buy and import from the UK niche zero grinder and costed me around $1,000. Prior to that, I've been using a DeLonghi Dedica grinder, which I bought in 2018 for around 250 US dollars and used it for 3 years. After a year of using my niche zero, I have decided to try my DeLonghi grinder again, but this time to compare it with a niche. I'm using a Rancilio Silvia espresso machine with an 18-gram filter basket. I'll pull shots using both grinders and let's see. I'll be using TGC coffee. It's a medium roast. Good coffee. Let's try first extracting coffee from the niche. DeLonghi. I will put the setting at the finest level. You can see there. So this is on the espresso side and the coarse side, the French press. So let's get some. Loud. Not sure if that's enough. Let's grind some more. Alright, it's time to. I'm using an 18-gram portafilter. Weigh. Okay, 0. Going to 0.02. Let's put 18 grams in. More. You could already see if you do a close-up, 18 grams in, you can see it's not really so fine. Alright, looks well distributed. Stamp it. As you could see, the shot came out very quick, so you could imagine the taste of this espresso will be very weak. Okay, see there. So now we use the niche zero grinder. Okay. Set this to 15. Take a close up. setting is only at 15.